I filed for bankruptcy, and honestly, I thought my future was over. My credit was destroyed. Everything I worked for, gone. And now I keep asking myself, will I ever be able to buy a home again? Or did I lose that chance permanently?
Bankruptcy does not prevent homeownership, but it changes the rules. What happens next depends entirely on your behavior. In this video, we'll break down what lenders actually look for after bankruptcy, how people rebuild their financial position, and the exact path back to homeownership. First, you need to understand what bankruptcy actually changes.
After the bankruptcy, everything felt uncertain. My credit score dropped. Banks started rejecting me, and it felt like no one would ever trust me financially again. I thought, who would give me a mortgage now?
Bankruptcy does one thing. It removes debt. It does not remove risk. Lenders don't care about your past failure. They care about your current behavior, income stability, payment history, financial discipline. After bankruptcy, your behavior becomes your reputation.
I thought once the debt was gone, things would be different. But honestly, my habits didn't really change. I still struggled with spending, still reacting emotionally to money. And part of me worried, what if I end up back in the same situation again?
Bankruptcy resets your finances. It does not reset your behavior. If spending habits remain the same, the outcome repeats. Financial recovery begins when behavior changes. That's what lenders look for.
I've heard that you have to wait years after bankruptcy. So does that mean I just sit and wait? Or is there something I should actually be doing?
Waiting does not rebuild trust. Behavior does. The waiting period exists so lenders can observe your financial behavior, payment consistency, stable income, financial discipline. Now let's talk about what lenders actually evaluate.
So what do lenders actually look at after bankruptcy? What makes them trust you again? What has to change before someone can qualify for a home?
Lenders evaluate four things: income stability, payment history, credit rebuilding, financial reserves. They want to see consistent income, bills paid on time, responsible use of credit, cash saved for emergencies. These signals show reduced risk.
So they're watching how I manage money now, not just what happened before?
Exactly. Your financial behavior becomes your credibility.
So if I want to buy a home again, what should I actually be doing right now? Where does the rebuilding process start?
Financial recovery follows a sequence. Control spending, rebuild credit intentionally, save consistently, maintain stable income. First, stop new debt. Second, build positive payment history. Third, create emergency reserves. Fourth, maintain financial discipline over time. These behaviors rebuild lender confidence.
So recovery isn't quick. It's consistent behavior over time?
Exactly. Home ownership after bankruptcy is earned through discipline.
I thought bankruptcy closed the door, but now I see it was a reset. What happens next depends on what I do now. My habits, my discipline, my decisions.
Bankruptcy is not the end of ownership. It is the beginning of responsibility. Financial discipline creates opportunity. The path back to home ownership is simple. Control your behavior. Build trust over time. Stay disciplined. This is how second chances become permanent.
I can rebuild, and this time, I do it differently.